We've all heard it before, that elusive ideal of perfect balance, juggling work, relationships, and self-care like we're in a never-ending circus act. But here's the truth, it's exhausting. So what if there's a better way? Enter the Pendulum Lifestyle, a mindset that embraces life's natural ebb and flow. The Pendulum Lifestyle is all about accepting life's inherent fluidity. It encourages us to let go of the idea of fixed balance and instead focus on the flow of our experiences, emotions, and interactions. Do your energy levels swing wildly from day to day? One moment you're the life of the party, and the next you're craving solitude. These fluctuations aren't flaws, they're your personal rhythms. The key is to understand these swings and use them to your advantage. Ask yourself, what's one small step I can take to move the pendulum in a positive direction? Just like a pendulum swings between fear and flow, we can harness this energy to push forward. Taking that first step, whether it's on stage, in a meeting, or in life, may be scary, but it's the act of starting that shifts us from fear into engagement. It's not about perfection, it's about momentum. Inside each of us is a rhythm, like a hidden pendulum dictating our energy, focus, and creativity. Pay attention to how small choices affect you throughout the day, from that cup of coffee to a quiet walk. By observing these ripples, you gain the awareness to guide your pendulum towards balance. Nature has its own pendulum, the ebb and flow of seasons, growth and rest. Immersing yourself in nature, whether it's in a park or a quiet garden, mirrors your own internal rhythms. Pay attention. Does nature invite tranquility or inspire action? Use these moments to guide your choices and find harmony. Imbalance doesn't mean you failed. It's a signal from your pendulum. Instead of falling into self-criticism, reframe it. Ask yourself, what is this imbalance telling me? Do I need rest or should I change direction? This mindset shift allows you to grow rather than feel defeated. Our needs, desires, and circumstances are always in flux. The Pendulum Lifestyle acknowledges this, teaching us to embrace change with curiosity, be open to new experiences, explore what brings you balance, and accept that harmony is always shifting. So how do we put the Pendulum Lifestyle into practice? Here are a few tips. Check in with yourself daily. How are you feeling physically, emotionally, and mentally? Make small adjustments based on those check-ins. Reframe imbalance as an opportunity to learn. And stay curious. New experiences can guide you towards better balance. Life is like the changing seasons. Growth, rest, and everything in between. The Pendulum Lifestyle is a reminder that balance is not a destination, but a continuous journey. By honoring these swings and finding your rhythm, you can embrace life's ebbs and flows with grace. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more ways to thrive in life's natural flow.